Hi guys, today onwards I am going to start a new series in Quantitative Aptitude from RS Aggarwal, a chance series. So hope you people like these videos and you will regularly follow, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Let us start with bar graph. First of all in this section, okay, bar graphs. The first question is number of tickets sold by two websites X and Y on 5 days to people traveling to Delhi on particular airlines. Okay, in airlines tickets were booked from two websites X and Y on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, the number of tickets booked are given here. This is for the website X and this is for website Y. So now based on this data DI, we have to solve the questions. Okay, the first question is the total number of tickets sold by both the websites together on Wednesday is what percent of more than sold by both the websites together on Thursday. Okay, so total tickets sold by both websites, website X plus Y, in Wednesday. What is this? This value we have to do now. That is 180 plus 120 equals 300. And that is what percent of more than sold by both the websites together on Thursday. So total sold X plus Y on Thursday. This is how much we have to do. That is 150 on Thursday. Hope you are able to see the question, guys. Okay, otherwise if you comment below the video, next video onwards I will increase the size of the bar graph on the screen. Okay, on Thursday are you able to see the value of X is 150 and Y is 100. So it is coming 250. Now we have to make a percentage. What percent more than sold? Okay, so X percent of 250 is equals to 300. X by 100. So everything you need is percentage and average. If you know percentage and average properly, then you are able to solve these questions easily. Okay, let us start with easy questions only first. Then while going in deep, we will discuss hard questions in next series. Okay, next videos. So X percent of 250 equals to 300. X into 250 equals to 300. So 0, 0, 1 here. So X is equals to 30 by 25 into 100. So 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar. So 120% coming. Okay, means 120% of 250 is 300. Now in exam what we have to write, how much percent it is? High means 120 minus 100 equals to 20. So the answer is 20% here. Okay. What is the average number of tickets sold by website Y on Sunday, Monday, Thursday? So X values, Y values. On Sunday, Y, Sunday plus Monday plus Thursday. Average we have to do. Okay. Y, what is Sunday value? 320. Monday value 300 plus Thursday value 100. So it is coming 720. Average means by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So 240. So average tickets is 240. The answer is D. The next question is number of tickets sold by website X decreased by what percent from Monday to Thursday? So X tickets sold on Monday and Thursday. We have to take these values first from the graph. Okay, X, Y. Monday values are 280. and Thursday value is 150. We have taken the X tickets sold out on Monday and Thursday. Now we have to find out how much it is decreased by what percent. Decrease means what we have to do? Subtraction. Means X percent of 280 is equals to 280 minus 150. Okay. From here to here. How much it is decreased, that we have to find out. Okay, so X by 100 into 280 is equals to 130. So 0 cancel, 2 5s are 2 14s are. So X is equals to 130 into this value. If it goes right side, it will reverse it. So 14 by 5 will become 5 by 14. So 2 7 ja 265 ja. So 65 into 5, 25, 325 by 7. So it comes 46 3 by 7, because if you do this 46 into 7, 7 6 ja 42, 7 4 ja 28, 322 plus 3, 325. So the answer is A. Okay, in this case. Let's go to the fourth question now. What is the difference between total number of tickets sold on Tuesday and Wednesday together by website X and total number of tickets sold on same days together by website Y? Now we have to find out the total number of tickets sold by website X between Tuesday plus Wednesday minus difference. How much? Same days tickets of website Y. So X Tuesday and Wednesday is 210 plus 180 minus by Tuesday Wednesday 250 plus 120. So 390 minus 370. So the difference is 20. The answer is 20. Now the final most fifth question of this graph is, as compared to Thursday, the number of tickets sold on Friday by website X increased by 40% and those sold by website Y increased by 30%. What was the total number of tickets sold by both websites together on Friday? So in this graph, till Thursday only the information given. Friday is not there. So for Friday they have given one clue. X tickets increased by 40%, Y tickets increased by 30%. That we have to add and find out. Okay, means 40% of X value on Thursday plus 30% of Y value on Thursday we have to do first. So 40 by 100 into X value Thursday is 150 plus 30 by 100 into Y value Thursday is 100. Okay. 60 plus 30. By 90 the tickets are increased on Friday. So total number of tickets how much? 150 plus 100 plus this increase. So it will come to 340. So the answer is C. Okay, like this you have to solve. In exam you have to make it fast. That's why you must understand the question properly. If you don't understand the question properly, then you might do wrong answer in the exam. Okay, you have to read the graph properly and read the question properly. Then only you can do the proper answer in the exam. The time will be very low in UPSC or bank exam, so you have to be so fast while solving these questions. Let us go to the another graph now. Let us start with the second graph now. Okay. An ice cream company prepares 3 different flavors X, Y, Z. The production of 3 flavors over a period of 6 years. 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16 is given in this graph. We have to find the answers to the questions. Okay. So for which of the following years percentage rise or fall in production from previous year is maximum for flavor Y? So we have to find out the percentage increase or decrease for flavor Y. So first of all, we have to take the values of flavor Y from the graph. But which values we have to take? 2014, 15, 16, 17 is given. That's why we will take values from 13 onwards. Okay, 2013 Y value, 2014 Y value, 2015, 2016 and 2017. So in 2013, what is the value? 60. 14, 50. 15, 55. 16, again 50. 17, 55. So the percentage increase or decrease in the year of 2014 will be percentage formula. You might know that we have to apply to these two values. Okay, 60 minus 50 by 60 into 100. So it will be 10 by 60 into 100. 0, 0 cancel here. Okay, 100 by 6 means 50 by 3. It is approximately 16%. Now, for the year percentage increase or decrease for the year 2015 we will do. For 2015, for these two values again same formula applies. 55 minus 50 by 50 into 100. It is 5 by 50 into 100. 5 cancel, 0 0 cancel, it is 10%. Again, these two values, same formula. Okay, 55 minus 50 by 55 into 100. Okay, 5 by 55 into 100. 111. So 9%. And the last for these two values, same formula again. Okay, 55 minus 50, this time it is 50. Above value only we have to take down. Okay, you can observe in first case I have took 60, second case 50, third case 55 and fourth case 50 we have to take. Okay, 5 by 50 into, so it is 10%. So where the value is high, in which year? It is 2014. Okay, the 2014 decrease is very high compared to other values in the graph. The next question is, for which flavor was average annual production maximum in the given period? Average annual production of each flavor we have to do now. For X, first of all we will take this left X graph. X graph, it is like lines, white lines. Okay, for X graph first value is 50, 2012 value, 2013 value 40, 2014 value 55, 2015 value 45, 2016 value 60 plus 2017 value 50. By how many values are there? Average formula you might be knowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. It will be, the answer will be 40 plus 50, 90, 145, 190, 250, 50. 300 by 6. The average of X flavor, okay, is production of X flavor in lakhs is 50 lakh. Now let us go to Y value. Y value, horizontal lines, second graph. Okay, this gray graph we have to see in this. Okay, 55, 60, 55, 60 plus 50 plus 55 plus 50 plus again 55 by whole by 6. So how much it will be? 25 by 6. It will come around average 54 point something, 0.3. Okay. In case of Z also we will do the same process. For Z, dark gray color bar you have to observe. This one. Okay. In the graph. Okay. This gray color part, black color part we have to observe. Okay. 45 first value plus 50 second value plus 60 third value plus 16, fourth value, plus 45, fifth value, plus 40, sixth value, by whole by 3. If you don't understand, if I am doing fast, you can rewind the video and you can watch again, or else you observe the graph properly, then you will get the answer. 300, 300 by 60. So again this is 50. So in which case it is high? Production is maximum for Y. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let's move to the another question now. What is the difference between average production of flavor X in 2012-13-14 and average production of flavor Y in 2015-16-17? Now we have to take X values 3 different years and Y values from 3 different years. Okay, X value X value 2012, 13, 14 and Y value 2015, 16 and 17. So X value 2012 is, you can see clearly in the graph, it is 50. 2013 is 40, 14 is 55. So this is coming to 145. And Y 2015 value is middle one gray graph we have to see here, 55 plus 2016 value is gray graph 50, 2017 value is 55 again. So it is coming 160. So what is the difference between these two now? 160 minus 145 equals to 15. But the graph is in lakhs. So we have to take it as 15 lakhs. So find out the between average. Find out the difference between average. We have to find. So by 3 it is coming 5 lakhs. So A is the answer. So which year shows highest production of ice creams? Means sum up 3 ice creams you have to count. Which year gives highest? Then the year is highest one. Okay, for year 2012, X, Y, Z. 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2007. Okay, like this we have to do. So X for 2012, X value is 50, Y value is 55, Z value 40. For 2013, X value is 40, Y value 60, Z value 50. For 2014, X value is 55, 50, 60. And again here 45 plus 55, 60. And for 2016, the values are 60 plus 50 plus 45. For 2017, the values are 50, 55 and 40. Okay. So we have to add all these values. Now, what will be the answer? Let us see here. Okay. 150, 150 and 165, 160, 155, 145. So it is highest for the year 2014. Okay. B is the answer. The total production of ice creams in 2016 is what percent of total production of ice cream flavors Y and Z in 2012 and 14 combined? So what we have to see here, the total production of ice creams in 2016. In 2016, how many ice creams are produced of all flavors? X plus Y plus Z. Okay. 60 plus 50 plus 40. It is 155. But for which years we have to take combined value of Y plus Z? 2012 and 2014. For these 2 years we have to take Y and Z combined. Y plus Z. Okay. So in 2012 What is YZ? 55 plus 45. 2012. That is 100. For 2014, Y plus Z, 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60. It is 110. So total combined it is coming 210. So here it is 155. So X percent of 210 is equals to 155. This we have to make the percentage formula. Okay, X by 100 into 210 is equals to 155. X is equals to 155 into 10 by 21. Okay, 21. Approximately it comes 21, 155 means 7 ja. So it is 7.3 into 10. So it is around 73%. So in the answers, the approximate answer is 73.80. This you have to select. Now let us move to another bar graph. This is a bit lengthy. Okay. The bar graph depicts the distribution of marks scored by 6 students A, B, C, D, E, F in 4 different subjects as a percentage of their aggregate marks for 4 subjects. That A is equals to 450, B is equals to 600, C is equals to 575, D is equals to 800, E is equals to 650, F is equals to 725. Now the first question is, if a certificate of merit is awarded to the student who scored highest marks in numerical. So numerical is represented by this grey graph. Okay, means this last one. Then who would get it? Means for each student we have to calculate the marks in numerical. Okay, so marks in numerical for student A. So how much percentage marks he got in numerical? 20%. That is 20% of how much is the aggregate marks? 450. Which is equals to 20 by 100 into 450. So it is 90 marks. Student B, it is 10% of his aggregate marks. Means 10% of 600 is obviously 60. For C, the percentage is 30% of 575. 30% of 575, 30 by 100 into 575. 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So it will come to around 114. Means 57 into 3. Okay, for D it is 30% of 800. 30% of 800 means 30 by 100 into 800. So it is 240. For E, it is 20% of 650. Means 20 by 100 into 650. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 130. So for F, for student F, it is 20% of 725. 20 by 100 into 725. 2 1s are 2 5s are. 5 1s are 4 ja. So it is 145. So highest marks whom got? A got 90 marks, B got 60, C got 170, D got 240. So highest marks person is D. So this much calculation within 2 minutes you have to do in examination, bank exam or UPSC. So that's why you must do calculations very fast. You must practice a lot, 10 times each question. Then you will get instant answers in the exam. The marks scored by E in verbal is approximately what percentage of aggregate marks scored by B? The marks scored by A in verbal is approximately what percentage of aggregate marks scored by B? Means for A in verbal how much marks he got we have to calculate. So verbal means this box. 30% of A verbal marks. 30% of his aggregate marks 450. So 30 by 100 into 450, it is coming 135. So 135 is how much percentage of 600? That we have to find out. So X percent of 600 is equals to 35. So X by 100, 135, sorry. X by 100 into 600 is equals to 135. So 0, 0 cancel here. X is equals to 135 by 6. So it is 135 divided with 6. 6 2 ja 12, 1, 5. 6 2 ja 12, 3.0. 6 5 ja 30. So it is 22.5. Means out of these answers, the approximate answer is 23. Okay. This you have to select. I am unable to write properly with this pen. Guys, hope you understand. Some letters I am unable to write properly because I have to bend at the same time. The pen is also not properly working. So you try to understand the digits, please. Okay. The marks scored by D in numeral is approximately what percentage of marks scored by A and C combined in logical? Okay. Marks scored by D in numeral. We have to find out numeral marks of D. So numeral means this fourth column. Okay, D numeral is 30% of 800. 30% of 800 means 30 by 100 into 800. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. It is coming 240 marks. So marks scored by D in numeral is approximately what percentage of marks scored by A and C combined in logical. So in logical, see, like this the pen is going. Properly it is not working. Curve I am getting always. Okay. Logical A plus C marks we have to find out. In logical A marks we will calculate first. Logical means this second layer 25% of 450. 25 by 100 into 450. 1 ja 4 ja. 4 11 ja. So for A got logical marks 112.5. For C logical marks is logical C 30% of 570. 30% of 575. 30 by 100 into 575. 0 0 cancel. 5 2 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 5 ja. Okay. So 2 1 ja 257.5. 57 point into 3. We have to do now. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21 22. 3 5s are 15 to 17. 172. 172.5. So these two we have to add now. 112.5 plus 172.5. It is 285. So marks scored by D numeral is approximately what percentage of marks scored by A and C combined in logical? So X percent of 285 is equals to, the marks scored by D is 240. X by 100 into 285 is equals to 240. Okay, X is equals to 240 into 100 by 285. Okay, now you have to calculate this. 5 20 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 7 ja. So approximate, exactly we can't do in like these values, we have to do approximate. 21 ja 20, 23 ja 60, it is near to 57. 3 1 ja 3 8 ja, so it is 80%. So the answer is, approximate answer 94 is not near, 75 is not near, 118 is not near, so you have to select 8. Assume that there were some mistakes in the graph with marks scored in numerals getting interchanged with those scored in logical, and marks scored in soft skill getting interchanged with those scored in verbal. Okay, first we have to interchange the values. The clue I will give to you. You have to solve the question and answer me by tomorrow. Okay. So if a scholarship is awarded to students who scored the highest marks in soft skills and numerals taken together, then who would get it? So before we are going to solve the question, first we have to interchange the values. Numeral getting interchanged with logical. So numeral getting interchanged with logical. So here it will be 20, it will be 25, and these two values changed. So 30, 25. In the same way, all series you have to change. Numeral changing with logical. So it will become 10. It will be 30. So here both are 30. So both will be 30 only. Similar only. And again here 30, 30 same, no change. 20, 20 no change. Now again here you have to change 20, 30 and 30, and here it is 20. Now again it is 20, 35. 20, 25. Here again 20, 20 is same, 30, 30 is same, no problem. Now we have to what we have to calculate, if a scholarship is awarded to student who scored the highest marks in soft skills. What will become soft skills and numeral taken together? Then who would get it? Numeral and soft skill we have to add percentage. Numeral plus soft skill we have to add for each student. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So now numeral value changed and soft skill is black one, numeral is last one. These two values we have to add, that is coming 50%. 25 plus 25 in case of A and 30 plus 30 in case of B, 20 plus 30 in case of C, 30 plus 20 in case of D, and changed values we have to see here. Don't see the original values in the graph. We interchanged the values. Please remember that. Based on that you take these values. Okay. 20 plus 35 and 30 plus 20. So again this is 50% of aggregate marks of A is 450, 60% of aggregate marks of B is 600, and 50% of aggregate marks of C is 575, and 50% of aggregate marks of D is 800, and 55% of aggregate marks of E is 650, and 50% of aggregate marks of F is 725. So you take now 225, direct 50% we will do directly half of the value. Okay, in case of 50%. So it is 225 and 50% of 575 means it will come to 290. 288. And again 50% of 725. 725 means 364. 50% of 800, 400. 60% of 600 means 360. 55% of 650. This we have to do by hand. 500 into 650. It is 320. So who got the maximum marks now? 400. D got the maximum marks. So D is the answer in this case.